Good morning children. Today in 5th class mathematics we have to discuss about in previous classes how to addition and how to subtraction. Now this DBT is first of all you have to do the subtraction. After the answer is correct or not you have to check with your addition. Okay. It is in your textbook page number 80. After the class you have to open your textbook and have to check it once. The given number is here 90 lakhs 78,640 and have to subtract 59 lakhs 47,802. First of all, have to do the normal subtraction. 0 minus 2 is possible? Not possible. So you have to take borrow from next place. We are taking 1 from here means here becoming as 10. Here 3 remaining. 4 to 1 we are giving to 1's place means 3 is remaining. 10 minus 2, 8 is remaining. 3 minus 0, 3 is remaining. 6 minus 8, it is possible? No, again take borrow from next place. Borrow taking means this 6 become as 16. 8 become as 7. Why? Because here too we are giving one number. So, 16 minus 8. 8 only. 7 minus 7, 0. Next, 7 minus 4, 3. 0 minus 9 is possible? No, again take borrow means it become as 10, it become as 8. 10 minus 9, 1. 8 minus 5, 3. So, our answer is 31 lakh 30,838. Now, this check with addition. Checking. How to check with addition? We will discuss now. First of all, write down which answer did you got. So, this one. 31 lakh 30,838. Next, which number did you subtracted? That number you have to write here. 59, 47, 802. Now these two numbers you have to add. Why? Because checking with the addition. Checking with the addition. Now 8 plus 2. How much? 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 how much children? 10. 8 plus 2, 10. 0 here, 1 here. 1 plus 3, 4. 8 plus 8, 16. 6 here, 1 here. 1 plus 7, 8. 3 plus 4, 7. 1 plus 9, 10. 0 here, 1 writing as a regrouping. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. See. This one same or not? 90, 78, 640. This one same means our answer is correct. If you done any wrong, it is wrong. Next one. Same like this, one more question. Second question. It is in your textbook page number 80. DBT is there. Subtract, check with addition. This one you have to finish in your maths notebook. Open your maths notebook after the class. Write down date and day. Start today topic and question. How to write the numbers in your notebook? Each and every number between leave finger gap like this. Why? Because finger gap leave means easily recognizing the numbers. One problem over after leave one line. Next one. Second question is 82 and 75, 684. Okay. The next number is 61, 48, 340, 391. Okay. This is the number I took. First you have to do the subtraction. Why? Because subtract is there. Subtract. 4 minus 1, 3. Okay. 8 minus 9, small number to big number, is it possible? No means take borrow, it become as 18. 5 to giving borrow means 6 to giving 1 borrow means 5 remaining. 18 minus 9, 9 remaining. 5 minus 3, 2. Again 5 minus 8, is it possible? No, again take borrow, it become as 15, this one become as 6. 15 minus 8, how much? 7. 6 minus 4, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 8 minus 6, 2. This answer did you got? Now, checking. Checking with addition. Checking with addition. First, which number you have to write down? What is our answer? That number you have to write down. First, 2 finger space 1, 2 finger space 7, 2 finger space 9, finger space 3. Again, which number did you subtracted? That number you have to write down. 6, 1, 4, 8, 3, 9, 1. Add the number. Why? Because checking with the addition. Here, 3 plus 1, 4. 8 plus 9 plus 9, 18. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 7 plus 8, 15. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 6, 8. 8, 2, 7, 5, 6, 8, 4. This answer same. Means our problem is right. Like this, you have to finish the bit in your maths notes. Questions in your page number 80 and you have to finish this. Next, go for e-bit. It is write in columns. Write in columns and subtract. Write in columns and subtract. In this first question, 88, 76, 542 minus 58, 76, 54. In subtraction, every time first write down the first number. Okay. 8 finger gap, 8 finger gap, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2. The next number you have to write down from ones place to here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. Minus symbol. Now do the subtraction. 2 minus 4 is possible? No. Means I have to take borrow. Means 12. This become as 3. Okay. So 12 minus 4. How much? 12 minus 4. 4 after 2 count up to 12. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 8. 8 is remaining. 3 minus 5 also not possible. Again take borrow means here 13, here 4. 13 minus 5. 5 after 2 count up to 13. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here also 8. 4 minus 6 also not possible. Again take borrow. This become as 14. This become as 5. 14 minus 6. 6 after 2 count. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. When you got this number, then you stop counting. Here also 8. 5 minus 7. This one also not possible. Again take borrow 15. 15 minus 7. Again start counting from 7 after 2. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Again 8. Here 6 remaining. 6 minus 8 also not possible. Again take borrow means this become as 16. This become as 7. 16 minus 8. Again count 8 after 2. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 8 is our answer. 7 minus 5. 2. 8 is remaining. So, like this, you have to arrange the given numbers in column wise and you have to finish the problem. Next, one more question, that is 5 add 70 115 minus 55 810 210. Solution. First arrange the numbers. 5. See here. For this carrying numbers you have to leave, borrowing numbers leave some place. Okay, 5, 8, 7, 0. One number after leave the finger space for easily recognizing the numbers. Next, 5, 5, 8, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0. See, it is correct, like this arranging means? No, it is wrong. So, first you have to count the number of digits. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is there. Here I am taking one more digit, it adds 1. Next, do the subtraction. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 1 minus 2, is it possible? No. Take borrow means it become as 0, it become as 11, it become as 0. 11 minus 2 means 2 after 2 count up to 11. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So our answer is 9. 0 minus 0, 0 only. 0 minus 1, not possible. Again take borrow means it become as 10. 10 minus 1, 9. 7 to giving 1 borrow means 6 remaining. 6 minus 8 also not possible. Okay. So 6 minus 8 also not possible. Again take borrow from here. Take borrow from here means it become as 16. And 16 minus 8. 8 is the answer. Here. How much remaining? 7 is remaining. 7 minus 5. 2. 5 minus 5. 0. Like this you have to finish this exercise. Okay. Today your homework is complete. In maths notes, D, E base. That is your textbook page number here 18. Okay, children, this is your homework. See. In your page number 60, D bit is there. Check and do with the addition. Here, subtract the numbers and check with addition in your notebook. This one also in your notebook. These 2 bits you have to finish. This is your homework today. Thank you.